Hi everyone, I'm Megan.
And I'm Melissa.
And we're health promotion coaches at Group Health Cooperative Eau Claire, and we're here to show you how to do some meal prep. Now, the things we hear from our members a lot are that they want to eat healthy, but they don't have time, they don't like to cook, or they're worried that the healthy food isn't going to taste good.
So today what we've done is we've come up with a couple of meals that are easy. Each include a protein source, vegetables, as well as a healthy whole grain option.
The first recipe in this series is Asian inspired, so we've got brown rice for our whole grain. We just followed the instructions on the box for that. And then I sauteed up some chicken breast in a little sesame oil. And then we went ahead and chopped and sauteed peppers, broccoli, mushrooms, and onions, and then threw in some snap peas on top of that. If you don't have time to do that, just throw in a bag of frozen vegetables.
Once the protein and vegetables have been sauteed, you can put those to the side and we'll go ahead and make our sauce next. You can really play around with the amount of these ingredients here. Some people like it a little spicy and then some would prefer no heat. It's completely up to you. I added about 1/3 cup of low sodium soy sauce, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, a teaspoon of minced garlic, and about a tablespoon of that sriracha sauce. Next, I added a tablespoon of brown sugar and a tablespoon of cornstarch. I went ahead and poured that over our vegetables and let it simmer.
Ooh, that smells good.
We will now get the meals ready for the week. We've got 5 containers laid out. I'm gonna add 1 cup of brown rice to each, and then a mixture of that chicken and vegetable mix, which is about 3 ounces of chicken, 1 cup of cooked vegetables. Now, after you reheat this each day for the week, go ahead and squeeze some lime juice on top. It'll just add a little bit extra.
So these will keep in the fridge for up to 5 days. So throw them in the fridge, and when you're ready to use them, pull them out, take them to work, and heat them up. They make a great lunch.